Hello and welcome again to Adventures and Pop-Ups. I'm Blake, this is Rachel, the lovely Rachel, and this is the place you come for campsite reviews, tips and tricks, things to make your camping adventures more fun, less stressful, and make those lasting camping memories outside. So, this is our first trip ever in a pop-up camper.
Yes.
And where did we go?
Lake Sangchris.
Lake Sangchris.
Here's our first camping experience with our pop-up. Right by the playground at Lake Sangchris. Grinder's happy, as usual. Hey, buddy. Hi. Had chicken and corn on the cob. It's like 92 degrees, but we're happy. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Josiah. Josiah, say hi. Josiah, say hi.
My head gets through here.
Yeah, well, be careful before your head gets stuck through there. This was our maiden voyage ever. Went to Lake Sangchris. We stayed on the Deer Loop. There's more than one loop.
Yep.
I did make note of that in our camping journal.
They do have some primitive camping there.
I don't think we even reserved ahead of time. I think we showed up and picked out the one right next to the playground. It was perfect. The kids ran and played. We had, our youngest was like 18 months, so it was really nice to be able to have somewhere to play nearby while we figured out what in the world we were doing. We practiced setting up a couple times in the driveway, but this was like the real deal. It was really sweaty.
Yeah.
It was 93 degrees, no air conditioning.
June 1st. Really hot and sweaty.
It was really hot.
No air conditioning in that first pop-up
Lots
camper.
of sweating. Lots of sweating.
We hadn't bought the portable AC unit yet.
Yes. So, other than the playground, there wasn't honestly a whole lot to do. It's at a lake, but you can't go swimming. So, we were hot and staring at a lake that
What's
we
up with
couldn't
that?
swim in.
Go to a lake and you can't swim.
Should have got a boat, I guess. Anyhow, we did have fun. We went on the nature trail and we cooked over the campfire.
Oh boy.
One thing that we did, the people that we bought our Starcraft from, that was our first pop-up camper.
Yes, lovely family.
Yes, lovely family. Did they have 3 boys too?
They had a few,
They did.
yeah.
They always had a tradition of cooking breakfast, like bacon and eggs, over the campfire.
They never cooked in the
Yeah,
camper.
oh yeah, it had never been cooked in, so that's awesome. But we had a hard time with it.
Always cooked over a campfire. And they love to do bacon and eggs, so we said for our first try, that's what we'll do.
Yes, we'll continue their tradition. It was fun. We just didn't really know what we were doing. We were not very good at starting the fire, keeping it at the right temperature.
It was a lot of work.
Took a long time.
Long time.
So, if you wonder why I have so many hacks and mods, or cooking hacks on this channel, I just really like the hacks. I like easy. What can I say?
Easy peasy.
There was not water; it was electric only,
Hmm.
and the kids had fun running over and getting extra water, gallons of water. I don't think we didn't use our water tank.
No.
We just ran and got gallons of water from the spigot across the street, but
Yeah.
not a big deal.
Probably washed dishes at the spigot too.
Probably. I don't remember.
I think I did them that time.
Anyhow, if you want to check out Lake Sangchris, it is a popular area. There is hunting and boating and that kinds of stuff. We just we were figuring out what in the world we were doing.
Just a dry run.
It was a dry run. We
Just check it out, see how it goes.
Yep, we slept all 4 kids in that queen bed.
We
had
were
glow
slightly
sticks.
miserable because we were hot and sweaty, and it took a long time for food. And
It was memory making.
we were making memories, making lasting memories.
Hey, that's what it's all about. We joke because that's just the thing. You know, if life's not going well, sometimes we'll just smile and be like,
Smile.
"Hey, we're making memories here,
Making memories.
making some memories."
This is a good spot for that joke that our friend of ours has. Who's gonna have who's gonna have fun camping, right? Not you. So that's just you're gonna be a little bit stressed and have a little bit of work. But you know what? There are a lot of different things that you can do to help make your camping memories less stressful, more enjoyable, less work. So that's why it's all about planning, preparation,
And practice.
and then just having some ground rules and discipline. Hey, we're going to be fun to be with. Hey, we're going to be respectful. Hey, we're not going to scream. We're not going to complain. We're not a complaining family. Thank you. You know, just these
Right.
fun things. Hey, if you don't want to be fun to be with, you can go play by yourself at the park or take the dog for a walk. This is a fun zone right here. Thank you.
Right.
So be a star, smile, take a deep breath, and relax. It's all going to be okay.
So I feel like this was a successful maiden voyage.
It was.
You know, plenty of people have stuff go wrong.
It
But
was just rocky. And when I think of
we
all our
set it
camping
up.
trips, it just was a rocky
Well,
one.
we've gotten a lot better at it over the years.
Yeah.
But for the first time, we set it up. I mean, we kept having to look at our notes and what do we
Yeah.
do next, and we're okay.
It was probably a half hour. So.
At least. But you know what? You got to start sometime.
Yeah. Lake Sangchris, just a quick dry run, our first ever trip. And, you know, you might want to, if you haven't picked out your pop-up camper, grab one and just do a dry run not too far from you, you know, half hour away. Just go for a night or two, and you'll always probably forget something that first run.
Oh, yes.
So
yes.
maybe you don't want to be more than 45 minutes away from home or something.
Or if you're having a terrible time, home's not that far
Yeah.
away.
Or you just want to cut your trip short. There
Yeah.
you go.
We did that the first time we ever went camping. In a tent, we went to a place not too far away, and we had a 10-month-old and a
Freezing
3-year-old. It ended up being freezing cold. We were not prepared for that, but we did tough it out, and we had a good time anyway.
High 30s,
So-
low 40s.
Let us know your maiden voyage stories. What did you guys forget? What did you guys do wrong? What did you learn from your maiden voyage? How was the weather? Let us know. I love to hear other people's stories, and
Yeah.
you guys can learn from us. We love to learn from you. Thanks for watching Adventures and Pop-Ups. Stay tuned for new videos every Monday.
Tell us your story. We want to hear it.
Happy
See-
camping.
See you soon. Happy camping.